Smile.
Okay. Well, this is a 12-inch vertical fire tube boiler that I built from scratch. And we're just building pressure up here. We're going to test these whistles that are prototype Parsons whistles. One is a 2 7/8 inch 3-chime whistle. That's this one here. This one here is a 3 1/4 inch Parsons whistle. It's a 5-chime. And actually it's a 3 1/2 inch. And we're getting up to pressure here pretty quick. We just put water in the boiler. I'm going to put a little bit more in here with an injector. Well, it's acting up. There you go. Whoops. Come on, buddy.
Gene, what made you want to do this?
Madness. Insanity. I've done several of these boilers. I had the shop running on steam at one point with a larger boiler, but this one was built to mainly test whistles. But we do have a little engine down here that's a little Stewart Turner, about 1.5 horses, single cylinder engine here. We'll get it going for you. Plenty good enough to run a pretty good sized generator or a small boat. Seen them in boats. Actually quite powerful little engine. Well, let's blow some whistles here.
All right.
Well, we'll start with the 3-chime. Ready?
Ready.
Warm it up first. Okay, here we go. Let's try the 5-chime.
And you're thinking about selling these, right?
These are the prototypes. I'm going to have some available for sale for grand scale locomotives, boats.
And you can go where to find out more information?
You can go to, you can contact me at gparsons@mcn.org. That's GPARSONS at mcn.org.
Awesome.
Or you can call me at 707-964-8146. Be glad to supply you with whistles.
Awesome.